Hi, this sample problem video is designed to help you figure out what type of bonds are formed simply from the electronegativity values. Now, basically, the process is you subtract the two electronegativity values, always taking the smaller from the larger. And then you compare it to the, basically you compare it to the ranges, okay? So it would be, for example, if it is a difference is less than 0.5, that would be a non-polar covalent, okay, or NPC. If it is between 0.5 and 2.0, that is a polar covalent. And if it is greater than 2.0, then that would be an ionic. All right, that'd be an ionic bond. So that's the scale. Now, when we look on the screen over here, let's say we have two elements. Let's say we want to figure out between, I don't know, let's just say chlorine and sodium. So we have sodium chlorine bond, okay? Now the sodium chlorine bond, we see that chlorine is 3.16, whereas sodium is 0.93. So we take the larger one, in this case sodium, 3.16, and we subtract 0.93. And we end up with a difference of, what is that, 2. My math is leaving me. Actually, that looks like a 2.23 is going to be the difference. Now, looking at that, since that is greater than 2.0, that means that this is going to be an ionic bond. So I write ionic. And that's the work that needs to be shown, and this is the answer. Let's take a look at another one. Let's say we have an oxygen and nitrogen bond, okay? Nitrogen and oxygen. When we look at those, we see that oxygen is 3.44 and nitrogen is 3.04. So we take the larger oxygen, 3.44, subtract the smaller 3.04, and we get 0.4 as our difference. Now looking here, we see that 0.4 is less than 0.5, so that would be a non-polar covalent bond, okay? And that is how you do these problems.